For instances when a percentage difference goes beyond 10%, we estimate a missing rainfall input using normal ratio method. Check how it is done here in hydrology. Missing rainfall data happens when the observer isn't around or the instrument failed, but there are two ways to estimate the values. One is arithmetic mean method, and the other is normal ratio method. When do we use a method from the other? Before delving into the computation of the missing rainfall data, we should check the annual rainfall difference, where, if it falls less than 10%, we use arithmetic mean method. The equation being the summation of the precipitation data of surrounding stations divided by their number. If the annual rainfall difference is equal to or more than 10%, look for the missing data using normal ratio method, which is the annual rainfall over the number of adjacent stations multiplied by the ratio of the precipitation and the annual rainfall for each surrounding station. To clear things out, P1 until Pn are the precipitation data of the surrounding stations. N1 until Nn are the annual rainfall of adjacent rain stations. N missing is the annual rainfall data for the station with missing information, and small n is the number of surrounding rain stations. The problem considers a catchment area having 4 gauge stations. However, Station D misses an input, so we are tasked to estimate it. First is to check which method between arithmetic mean and normal ratio should we use. This is done through the annual rainfall difference percentage. At Station A, the difference is taken as 1,100 minus 1,000 over 1,100, then multiply 100% to get 9.09%. At Station B, the difference is solved from 1,200 minus 1,100 all over 1,100, then multiply 100% to get 9.09% again. At Station C, the percent difference is solved by subtracting 900 from 1,100, then divide the result by 1,100, then multiply 100% to get 18.18%. Although just one station is going way beyond 10%, it violates the condition. Hence, we adopt normal ratio method. The normal ratio method has a slightly longer equation, where the normal annual rainfall values play some parts. The equation is the ratio of the normal annual rainfall of the station with missing data, and the number of adjacent stations, multiplied by the ratio of the precipitation and the normal annual rainfall of each station. From the example, the missing data of Station D is taken as the normal annual rainfall of Station D, which is 1,100 divided by the number of surrounding stations. Then multiply 45 over 1,000 plus 55 upon 1,200 plus 40 divided by 900. This is simplified as 49.6 millimeters.